In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Adobe Photoshop Express all for free in your Windows PC, be it Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. To get started, you can use your web browser to do that. You can just simply go to your web browser. For me, I'm using my Google Chrome, and mostly this is applicable to those using Windows 10. You can open your web browser and type Microsoft Store and you press your enter. And if you're using Windows 11, you can just simply go over to this Microsoft Store and you click on it. It will open. Once it opens, you go ahead and type on this search area or this search bar Adobe. Now, once you click on that, you see the result that shows here. You can see Adobe Photoshop has its paid version. Here we have this Adobe Express all for free. Simply click on get, and the moment you click on get, you wait for it to download and install in your PC. It's actually checking my system compatibility to ensure that everything is together in my system. The requirements are all intact. Let's just wait for it to download and install in my PC. I just had to click on it. It's preparing to download. It's 100% installed. You can just simply click on this area to open it once it is done installing, and you will be asked either you want to pin it to the taskbar or to the start menu, either create a desktop shortcut. If you wish, you can just put it that way. Here you need to sign in to the Adobe Express account. You can use your email, you create a new email, or you use your Google account. I wish to use my Google account, so I just simply click on continue with Google, and I wait for it to load. Once it finishes loading, I just simply input my email address here. And once you input your email address, of course, you also be required to input the password that you use to sign in. So I simply input my Gmail password there and go ahead and click next. With this, it will sign into my Gmail account and require that I give it an access. If I don't wish to give it an access, I can just click no. And with this, click on continue. You can just select year and all of those things, 1999, and click on create account. Now you can see that this is done. Personal, I want to use it on personal purpose. I want to use it for this, and done. And with this, you've just installed your Adobe Photo Express. With this, you've just installed your Adobe. With this, you've just installed your Adobe Photoshop Express, and you go ahead and start using it all for free in your laptop or your PC. You can see that I'm just trying to remove a background from this particular image. You can see what it's doing. Wow, this is perfect. And I can download this. So that's the beauty of Adobe Photoshop Express. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to click to subscribe